Hey y'all, so my Web 2.02 tool is Photopeach. It's free and it's online. It allows you to create slideshows from whichever documents that you have on your device. A cool thing about this is Photopeach is portable, so um, wherever device that you're on, it doesn't matter because you have an account and you just go ahead and log in your account and your slideshows will follow you wherever you log into your account. So if you don't have an account, you can just go ahead and sign up. But since I do already have an account, I'm just gonna go ahead and log in. This is the page that it will take you to, and these are some of the examples of the slideshows that I have created already. Um, so what you want to do is just create a new slideshow. You just go ahead and hover your cursor and you just click upload photos. So I'm just going to click a few photos from here. It does allow you to select whatever documents that you want from your computer, from your device, um, and upload it. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose one picture to show you all how it goes. And it'll take you to a screen where it allows you to choose as many photos as you would like, and this is not the limit. You can choose more photos to upload, and you can also rearrange the order that you want your pictures to be in. And if you accidentally chose a photo that you don't want in your slideshow, you just go on and you're just going to go ahead and drag it over to the deleted item sections. It is kind of like a drag and drop. I'm going to upload a few more photos. I think a cool thing about Photopeach is it allows an option for educators up at the top here, and that allows teachers to create student accounts and um, and it allows students to really engage with technology and learn and create things of their own. This is going to be the last photo that I'm going to go ahead and choose. And also at the bottom of Photopeach, there is instructions just in case you forget. But I'm going to go ahead and switch the order a little bit because I would want the beluga whale to be in the middle. I'm going to put him in the middle. And then you just go ahead and click next. Now this option, this screen allows you to choose the title of your slideshow, and this box over here will be the captions of each slide. So of each picture that you uploaded, there will be a caption for it, and this is what the captions will be. I'm just going to go ahead and put picture 1 and 2. That way we go ahead and see where this pops up later on. And you do have to click enter, that way it's not on the same slide. The slideshow allows you to pick how fast or how slow you want it. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it at 3 to have it just at the normal default choice. And the thing is, Photopeach allows you to choose whichever background music you want. You can search on YouTube for a certain type of music, or you can upload your own music. I'm just going to go ahead and choose one option. It does allow you to preview this music before you actually choose it. Now you can always go ahead and edit the music that you want later on. So this will bring you to the preview of your slideshow. I'm just going to go down. The thing is, the only thing that is not customizable is the font and the black screen at the front. This is where the pictures 1, 2, and 3 pop up. And if you want to go ahead and edit this, we're just going to go ahead and click edit. And we're going to go ahead and choose how we want people to see the link on our video. And you can also choose whatever category you want it to be in. I'm just going to go ahead and choose education. You can change the caption and the pictures. You can add more photos if you forgot some. You can change the music and title. And I think a really neat thing is that people can comment on here what kind of like their thoughts about the slideshow. I think this is a cool way for students to like interact and discuss other students' slideshow and give some compliments. You can also manage those comments as well. But we're going to go ahead and edit captions and the photos, and it'll bring you to the screen. So this screen allows you to position the captions and rearrange and even make a little quiz. So for this first slide, I'm going to have the caption in the middle. And then for picture 2, I'm going to have it at the bottom. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put the name of the animal. You can go ahead and write whatever it is that you want in these captions, however it relates to your topic or subject. And I'm going to go ahead and add a blank slide. I think this is really neat because you can add as many as you want and then you can delete them, or you can also make a copy of that same exact slide, and I think that's really neat. You can also rearrange the slides still at this point, but we're going to go ahead and go to the end and we're going to create a quiz. So this allows you to create a question. And I think it's really neat because you can choose the option, the correct answer. But it will also allow you later on in the video to select and actually click on the correct answer. So Photopeach is very interactive, and I think that's really awesome. This automatically saves, so we're just going to go ahead and click OK. And it'll take you to a preview of what you just created. I think this is really neat because there's so many things that you can do with Photopeach and how you direct this with your students. So see here at the end of the slideshow, you go ahead and click whatever um, whatever one is the correct answer, and it does give you a time limit. And if you get it right, it makes a little sound and it highlights in yellow. So I'm gonna go ahead and click my shows because this section um, allows you to see where your slideshows are and which ones you have created so far. You can also filter them. This creators tab will allow you to see other people's slideshows, and this is the same as well, just explore other people's slideshows. This is the one that I've created as an example for this Web 2.0 tool. I think it's really neat that Photopeach allows you to teach through technology. So my slideshow is ocean animals that begin with the letter S, and I use Finding Dory and Finding Nemo characters because it relates to younger children really well, and I think Finding Dory and Finding Nemo are great movies, and they're a great gateway to children learning about ocean animals and the ocean life itself, and just becoming more educated about things that they cannot physically go out and see themselves yet. So I think it's a really great opportunity for children. You can use this for all kinds of grade levels. For younger children, you can have, of course, they'll need a little bit of help from the teachers and the instructors, but you can have the younger students choose a favorite color and have them upload photos of just that favorite color. You can have the younger students be assigned to a letter. For example, a student has a letter F, and they would have to find pictures of fish or of frogs or fork, anything that starts with the letter F. You can also do this as a rhyming lesson for things like frog and log and smog. And they can have that picture. I think this is a great tool for younger kids as well. For older kids as well, you can also have the students make mini quizzes about the slideshow. So they have a slideshow that has facts, and at the end of the slideshow, you can have the older students create the quizzes and to see if the other students were listening in class. You can also have the older students do like a online technology book report. So what you could do is have the older kids select a book, and then you can go ahead and have them take a picture of that book of their favorite parts. And then you can have them upload their favorite parts of the book into the slideshow. You could also use it for the plot and the setting. So whatever the climax is and the resolution, so the student would find those um, those topics, those subtopics, and they would take a picture of them and then they would upload it. You can also have them use um, find keywords and vocab words. You can also have the students use the slideshows for family vacations that they've experienced, or for students to learn about other cultures. There's many options for the slideshows. And I think it's really great that the students will be able to um, actually create and produce something of their own. Um, and I think it would be really nice at the end of the day for the class to just, sit down and talk about each other's students' slideshows and actually watch the slideshows in class. I think it's a really great thing for the students to be proud of their accomplishments and of what they were actually able to create and what they could continue to learn through each other's slideshows. So once you're done, you can just go ahead and log out, and that'll be it. Thanks, y'all.